Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence might be changing the game in the world of sports? It's an intriguing intersection where algorithms meet athleticism. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a powerful tool that's reshaping multiple sectors, and sports is no exception. Behind the scenes, AI is transforming how athletes train, how teams strategize, and even how fans engage with their favorite sports. Now picture this: a football coach using AI to strategize the next winning move. In 2019, an AI company named Sportlogic partnered with an NHL team, marking a significant turn in the realm of sports analytics. The partnership aimed to leverage AI's power in analyzing player performance, thereby enhancing the team's strategies and overall game. Sportlogic, a pioneer in sports-focused AI, used its sophisticated technology to break down and analyze various data points from the player's on-ice performance. Factors like speed, accuracy, and decision-making skills were all put under the microscope. The AI system meticulously dissected these aspects, providing a comprehensive analysis of each player's strengths and areas for improvement. The AI didn't just stop at individual performance, it went a step further, studying the team's cohesion, their synergy on the field, and how their strategies unfolded during the games. This holistic approach offered a precise picture of the team's competencies and shortcomings. But how did the AI translate this data into actionable insights? It used complex algorithms to identify patterns, trends, and correlations in the data. These insights were then used to devise data-driven strategies, optimize training sessions, and even predict future performance, giving the team a distinct competitive edge. The partnership brought about a remarkable change in the team's performance. They saw an increase in their win rate and were better prepared for their games, proving that AI's role in sports is not just transformative, but also invaluable. The results? An increased win rate and a team better prepared for their games. AI's influence on sports doesn't stop at performance analysis. Imagine a world where injuries are predicted and prevented before they occur, where every athlete has a personalized training program crafted by AI, fine-tuned to their body's needs and performance goals. This is the future we are stepping into, a future where AI is the guiding hand in sports. But it's not just about the players. Imagine virtual reality experiences for fans designed by AI that make you feel like you're right there on the field, part of the game. AI could revolutionize not just how we play, but how we experience sports. Yet, with these potential benefits come challenges. Ethical considerations around privacy, fairness, and the human touch in sports will need to be addressed. Implementing AI in sports isn't just about harnessing technology, it's about navigating the delicate balance between man and machine. So, as we look towards the future, AI might just become the most valuable player off the field.